Hello viewers, hope you're all well today. Today we will be showing you how to make homemade tandoori chicken. To make your homemade tandoori chicken you will need mixed powder, whole chicken legs, orange food dye, salt, lemon juice, natural yogurt, tandoori paste, garlic and ginger paste. Make sure your chicken has been washed and rinsed and thoroughly dried before you mix and marinate. For our homemade tandoori chicken, we've used 6 pieces of chicken legs. First, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of tandoori paste into a large bowl. Then add 2 spoons of natural yogurt. Now add 1 tablespoon of mixed powder. Then add lemon juice, 3 tablespoons. Then add salt. You can add as much or as less as you like, depending on how you like it. Then we add garlic paste and ginger paste. And then finally, just half a teaspoon of orange food dye. This will give the tandoori chicken a fabulous colour. Give the mixture a nice mix until it's smooth and has no lumps in it. After mixing the tandoori paste, we slowly add the tandoori chicken legs into the marinade and mix it well. After you finish mixing all the chicken into the marinade, place into a nice bowl and we'll store it in the fridge 24 hours. Ready for cooking tomorrow. Finally, cling film the tandoori chicken and place in the fridge overnight. Here is last night's marinated tandoori chicken pieces. They've been left in the fridge to marinate overnight, and now we're going to half cook them in a frying pan and then barbecue them later on. We'll show you this process in a minute. Put them on medium heat and fry both sides until lightly golden brown. After about 15 minutes in the frying pan, you'll see lots of water and liquid coming out of the chicken. Lift up the lid and put the feet up a little bit and let the water evaporate and let it dry up a little bit more. Once most of the water has evaporated and liquid has dried out, you can place the chickens into a bowl and prepare them for the oven or the barbecue. We will show you how to do this next. After you've taken the chicken off the hob in the frying pan, take to the barbecue and place on it on a medium heat on a low grill. You can also wrap it in foil, put it on a baking tray and put it in the oven. Today we're doing it this style. Once the tandoori chicken has finished cooking on both sides, add some butter, nice and evenly on both sides. Enjoy with a fresh slice of lemon and salad.